and so on. And then down here I can add, he's using a different model, so we get a different count on that. So now we're really using a different kind of view. This particular view is looking at multiple models. So you get some interesting things out of that. Okay, any questions on that? So this is kind of started to get into some of the detail on what this pattern can buy you. It really gives you a lot of separation, and where I think it really shines, and one of the things I want to stress, if you're doing web services, which is kind of one of the hot things now, make sure you treat your web service as a user interface. Don't treat it as model code. Don't treat it as business logic. Keep your business logic in your model, and you can share that same logic across web applications, GUIs, web services, command line interfaces, whatever way you're presenting stuff to the user. That's really, really key. All your web service should do is get the data coming in, figure out what it means, and then talk to the model to do things. That's it. When data's coming out, get the data from the model, format it however you want, JSON, whatever. Send it back down to the user. That's going to make your life with web services so much easier. And now you have a reusable model you can do anywhere. And I've used stuff like this where I have the exact same model on a server for web services and on an Android application for managing a GUI. And that buys you a whole lot because you can reuse that code like crazy. It really makes the web services so much simpler. Okay, any questions? Validation. Now that depends. Okay, there's a couple approaches to validation. One is whenever you're making a change. So when you're calling a set, do your validation there, and then don't set the field. And I